Today I'm bringing you a new rescue case. We have called her Gloria. She's a hunting dog. She has been mistreated and she has a terrible injury on one of her legs. Have a look at this. We're on the way to the hospital with that little Podenco, that little dog that we have just rescued in Sevilla. They tell us that she has been found in the fields. They kept her in a pig farm and apparently she was tied. She was there and she was there for months. It seems that she has an old fracture. She's been in a lot of pain and this is why she hasn't been able to step on it. We have no idea what we're gonna find now at the hospital. We're gonna do x-rays and we will know more once we have them. She's so sweet, you wouldn't believe it. It's unbelievable. I mean, this is a dog that has been in a lot of pain and still she's sweet and wonderful doggy. So let's see how it goes. Estaba atado a un sitio. Kilos, 9 kilitos, temperatura normal. A ver si se quiere sentar. Despacito, muy bien. Vale. She's very calm, she's very loving, but we need to do some full x-rays. So she needs to be sedated so that she's sleepy, and then we can do this thing without causing her any harm. We're also doing some blood work to see what's her condition and if she has any infectious diseases. I don't think so, but we need to check. So, this baby is gonna sleep right now. Gloria's injuries are terrible. She has been limping, she's been in pain, and she's been in that position for God knows how long. But now she's with us. She's at the hospital, and I promise you, we're gonna save her, and we're gonna save her leg. I know some people will say, amputate, this is much better. So simple. That's not the way we do things. If in the end she is to lose her leg, she will lose her leg. But I promise you, we're gonna do everything we can to save it. Please, we need you. Gloria needs your help. Please, if you can, donate. It's really important. I know we are all in a crisis. I know. But just look at her. Just look at that face. Look at that leg. She needs your help today. Please donate. Help me save Gloria. Thank you.